take a look at goal setting theory. Goal setting is a great motivator. In fact, goal setting theory was rated number one in importance among 73 management theories. Thinking about goals, the objectives state what is to be accomplished within a given period of time. The plan is how to achieve the objective. To motivate people to the highest level of performance, objectives should be clear. They also need to be difficult and achievable. To have high levels of performance, you need to set high standards. They also need to be measurable. You can't manage what you don't measure, so measure what matters. Specific with a targeted date. To be motivated, employees must know exactly what is expected of them, when they're expected to have the task completed, a deadline. The best goals are also collective. With an increased use of teams, people need to work together to set collective goals. They also need to be accepted. For objectives to be met, employees must accept them by taking responsibility to achieve them. Some people use SMART goals as an approach when setting objectives, making sure that they're specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-based. Management by objectives, or MBO, is the process in which managers and their employees jointly set objectives for employees, periodically evaluate performance, and reward according to results. There are 3 steps of an MBO program. Step 1. Set individual objectives and plans. Each subordinate jointly sets objectives with a manager. Step 2. Give feedback and evaluate performance. Employees must know how they're progressing towards their objectives. Step 3. Reward according to performance. Employee performance should be measured against their objectives. Employees who meet their objectives should be rewarded through recognition, pay raises, promotions, and so on. An MBO program is a motivator, not a hygiene, because it meets employees' needs for esteem and self-actualization, growth, and power achievement. An MBO program empowers employees to increase responsibility with an opportunity for creating meaningful, challenging work to help them grow and accomplish goals.